Hey everyone, it is Susie, and I am back with some of these fun altered file folder pockets that have the journals in them. I have so enjoyed watching Laurie Girl on the Ridge. She does these all the time, and she is just an amazing inspiration to everybody, I think. And then Christy, Twins for Me Too, had actually done a tutorial where she had altered the front. And I watched it, and after watching her, I decided I have just got to make some of these. And one of the ladies on Sophie's Notes also made one. And I just had to. So, I was so wanting to make, I have so many things on my to-do list. It would just be impossible to make everything that's on there. But these were some of the things that were on that to-do list anyway. So I have got 4 of them, and they're all different. I have made them for Christmas, except for this one. This is not a Christmas one, but the other 3 are. The images are from Pinterest, and then this little one here, I made a smaller one. This is actually Tim Holtz and his paper dolls that he has out for the Christmas. So I'm going to just start with the little one because it's just little. I just made a little journal. It is actually out of just I used the collage page on this. I thought I would give this a try. It is from Aileen's. And I wanted to try it, and I do like it. I like it really well. But I did decide to make this just out of paper. And like I said, I did collage page the front and the back to make it a nice and just nice feeling. And it's got a little bit of gloss to it, but not much. It's just a matte. Collage page there. So I did use washi tape. Here's the little Tim Holtz paper doll with the skates on there. It's little ice skates. I got a little music paper. Used a little sari there on the, nope, that isn't sari. That's just some fabric, some coffee stained fabric. I take that back. And anyway, you just open it up, and you've got this little girl here. She's kind of fun. And I've just, like I said, did some collaging with, this is also Tim Holtz Christmas washi tape there. I've just kind of added some little pieces of music paper there. Here is one of the little paper dolls on just I actually trimmed this to, I didn't have any that, weren't the size they needed to be. That were the size they needed to be. So I just cut this down and put it in there. And then, like I said, it's just for journaling. This would be so fun just for your Christmas, or even maybe your Christmas shopping lists and different things. Just thought it was kind of fun. And another little collage there. But anyway, just a fun little journal. These journals cannot be extremely large in these because they just won't fit. I mean, you have to kind of restrain yourself on how big you're going to make them. This is one of the little hand crocheted snowflakes that are in the shop. These are what my sister has made. They're super cute, guys. I'm telling you, I have had so much fun using these hand crocheted snowflakes. Super fun. And here is the back of it. I did decorate the back of this one. Just used a little bit of different papers. And this here actually is, this was gifted to me from one of the ladies over at Sophie's Notes. These are vintage flashcards, kind of, and they're huge. They were really wide. And I thought these were just adorable. I only had 2 of them, and then I used them both in to make the pocket. So that's super fun. And there's that one. And then here is the little boy here with the Christmas tree. That is so cute. I did some sari silk here, some vintage button, as you can see here. Tim Holtz, collaging more vintage buttons. Lots of cheesecloth and just some crocheted lace in the background there. Now these I did not put anything on the back, but this one here has a little journal, and I have used a glassine bag in this one, and I actually stitched this wintertime, this little wintertime saying here. I just stitched it in. So this is not a pocket. I just kind of stitched it in, which I thought was kind of fun. And here is the little paper doll in the back. But now this is open where you can put something in if you'd like to. So I thought that was kind of different. And then I've just got the same image here. Let me move these out of the way. The same image here for the front of the journal. I did use some fabric here just to reinforce that. And these are mainly for journaling. They're not going to have a lot of things on the inside because of just... it can't be real thick and bulky, so there's just a little pocket, fabric pocket there. Different papers. I did make a little raggedy. This is actually a flash card here. Put a lot of the little Tim Holtz stuff on it, and that goes in there. There's that little girl with the Christmas tree. I love that image. And then here is another Tim Holtz, and these are actually from Calico Collage. I bought a download of those Christmas words so that I could use them. Little booklet there, and she just goes in there. That's just one of them little tags. Oh, excuse me, one of them little white tags. Here is Santa Claus is coming to town. That's from the Calico Collage. Words, and then a little collage there, Santa's little helper. And there is this journal. There it is. And like I said, these cannot be extremely large because they just will not fit in the pockets. So there is that. And you know, I will be putting these probably in the Etsy shop because I'm going to have to spend a day really getting a lot of things put in there that I have. So they will be going in the Etsy shop. And I'm going to call this special delivery. This here will probably be called Ring the Joy Bells. So I just kind of give them a name there. This one here, I'm just going to call it, oh goodness, what will we call this one? Probably just the postal. This here is just a little wider than the others because I just made the pocket a little wider. And this here I have used envelopes, my glassine. These are some vintage envelopes that I have. So you could actually put, I don't have any kind of tag here. You know, you could actually put something in your little vintage pocket here. You know, a photo or something. And just this graph paper is actually stuck to that cover. I wanted to make it a little thicker there, so I kind of stuck it down. Did a little collage there. This has some music. Old book page. Big doily book page. This is the craft paper. This one here, I've just did a little collaging, and here's a little raggedy that I put in it. It's got the little girl on it. And a little more collage there with some cheesecloth. This is a little pocket. Stick something in. And there is this journal, and this is the same way. What I had to do on these, okay, And this is open for you to put something in as well. I had to, this is sari silk, and I actually had to split the sari silk so that it looks like it's together when it's closed, but in order to open the envelope and bend it back, I had to slice it, and it's sliced in the front too, just so that this could open. Otherwise it would have never opened. So that is this one. And then my last one, this is my favorite. I actually used a craft file folder. I bought these a long time ago at Staples. This one I actually have put an image on the back. And this here is a snowflake underneath this little poinsettia. She made the poinsettia for me. I won't have them available in the shop. She had just made a couple because I was wanting something, and she had thought of maybe making some poinsettias, but the snowflakes are the only thing that are in the shop. So, but anyway, this is just a lot of collaging, a lot of this vintage doilies and things here, which is just fun. So, and then here is the journal for this one. He is a whole lot of fun. I just find this fitting for Christmas. It says, I had fun, but I'm ready for a nap. Here is another one of the snowflakes I have used here that she has made. Same way, this is made with the vintage glassine envelopes. Excuse me. This here I have to show you. This almost looks like a wood grain. And what this is I had, I don't know if this is tea or coffee or maybe a little combination of both. But this is just how it ended up doing when I had it on some parchment paper. I thought it almost looks wood grain. Here I've done a little collaging, and there is some more of that grainy look. I just love that. I think that's so fun. And I have just kind of sewed a piece of music paper there. And look how this is just amazing to me how that came out. So here is a little flip doily, a little raggedy here I have used. I really like them raggeties, thanks to Nick the Booksmith. And here is just a little flip out, and just more of the music sheet collage there, graph paper collage, and the back. So anyway, guys, this is the little journals in the pockets. These have been really fun. But these are just some things I've been playing with. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and have a great day. Have a good crafting day. Thank you for watching.